Okay guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher. This short tutorial is about how to make stairs. Okay, first of all, F4 or F4. First of all, W, you should change this pivot point. We'll go here and affect pivot only, and we will change this pivot point in this area. Alt W for changing viewport. Zoom. I will change the pivot point around this area here, almost the middle of this cylinder. I'll turn it off. Z. Okay, this is the pivot point here. I attach this cylinder, small tiny cylinder here, and this is the cylinder, tall one, the tall one. I will copy this stair to this cylinder. Okay, I will use array this one, or you can find another one here, tools, array menu, both is the same. I will select this array and I will 10 stairs. It will copy 10, and I will choose 2D, of course. In order to see the viewport what is going on, I will hit preview, and I can increase this move in Z-axis like this. So I prefer 11, so will be the same height of the cylinder, and rotation I will give 15 degree. Yeah, this is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2D dimensional 15 degree, and 11. You put this number 11 so it will reach this top of this cylinder. If you give more, it will go higher. Lesser. So I think 11 is a good choice, and hit OK. This is what you have. This is what we get. F4. Yeah. Okay, just remember at the beginning you should just change this pivot point in this area, in the middle of this cylinder, and just copy it, whatever you prefer. You can higher the cylinder, or you can copy more of these stairs. Control Z. Okay, one more time. I'll choose this one. Now this time maybe 20. What will happen? Preview. It will go beyond. And if I will choose this one, it will shrink it down 6, 5.5, 5.3, 5.2. Just I am playing around with this number just to check what we can get. This one, if I do 25, Yeah, it will rotate more. I guess 15 is okay. This one 11 and this one 10. I think this is the good choice. Just you can play around by yourself, test it, and check what parameters is suitable for your project. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.